So in this video, we are going to solve another medium problem from LeetCode. So the problem is 176, which is the second highest salary problem. Okay, so here they are saying that we have a table called employee. In that table, we have two columns. One is the ID column, one is the salary column. And they clearly said that ID column is the primary key, which means this column will not have duplicates or it will not have any null values also. And each row of this table contains information about the salary of an employee. Let's say for ID number 1, this is the salary. ID number 2, this is the salary. So like that, for each ID number, we have the salary. Now we have to write a solution to find the second highest distinct salary from the employee table. If there is no second highest salary, return null. Okay, so now we have the table, employee table. We have 1, 2 and 3 and the second highest salary. If we sort everything in descending order, 300 is the first highest salary, 200 is the second highest salary. And then coming to another table, here we only have one employee and the salary is 100. So what is the second highest salary? There is no second highest salary itself. In that case, we will just put it as null. So now for this particular question, I am planning to use a window function called dens_rank. The reason why I am using dens rank is because here they said second highest distinct salary. Okay, so let's say I have 300, 300, 200 and 100. Okay, so out of which if I use row number, I will get 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so row number will not help me in this case because it will simply give the row numbers as 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if I use rank function, here I will have 1 and 1. So next one will have 3 and the other one will have 4. The reason is because rank will have holes, which means if there are two numbers with the same rank, the next rank will be skipped. So if I have 1 and 1, the next rank won't be 2, it will be 3. If I have again 300 and this is also rank 1, then will become 4 and this will become 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and next one will become 4. Let's say if I have 200 and 200 like this. In this case, what will happen? So my rank will give 4. This also will have 4. This also will have 4. Now this 100 will be 4, 5, 6, 7 and it will be 8. Okay, so in this scenario, if you want the second highest salary, you cannot get it. Okay, because you will have 1, 4 and random numbers like that. That's the reason why I will use dens rank. Okay, so in dens rank, what will happen? Here you will have 1, 1 and 1. All of these will have 2, 2, 2 and 2. This one will have 3. Okay, so this is the reason why I'm taking a dens rank here. So how do I write the code? I'm using the help of a CTE. So instead of writing CTE, you can use anything. So here let's write second highest salary. So the table CTE name can be anything. So I'm using it as second highest salary because it improves the readability of the code. So with second highest salary as open and close the bracket. In between this, you have to write your code, which is select ID salary. And now after ID and salary, I am using a dens rank function. Dens_rank of. Okay, now you have to write the over clause. Here I am not doing any partition. The reason is because we are trying to order the salaries and give a rank. You don't have to partition it by anything. So partition will be skipped here. Just write order by salary descending, which means all the salaries has to be ordered in the descending. So 300, 200, 100, it will be ordered like that. So for this entire dens rank function, we have to give a alias or else the column name will become this one. Okay, so as I'll just put DN for now. From which table? It is an employee table. Okay, this is done now. So now let's do select star from this particular table, which is second highest salary table. Okay, so I wanted to show you how the select ID salary will look like. Okay, so let me run this first. So you are getting it like this: ID, salary, DN. DN is this one. Now 3. ID number 3 has salary 300, his rank is 1. So basically salary is getting ordered in the descending order, and based on that only we are getting the rank, which is completely fine. Now if I just put where dn equal to 2, which means 2 is your 200, which is the second highest salary. So if I run this, and here they are saying you only need one column, that is the second highest salary column. So instead of star, I will just put salary as second highest salary. Copy paste the column name from here. Okay, so let's run this now. Now it is telling that test case 1 is passed because you have 200 is the second highest salary, 200 is your output, and 200 is what is expected. But if you take the test case number 2, here you only have one salary. Okay, in that case your output is blank because for dn equal to nothing is present. That is why you are getting it as black. Instead of that, if you have to get the null value, so what I would prefer is I will just put the max of here and here. So if I run this now it will get accepted. Okay, so this is one thing that I would say. And even in your interviews, if somebody is asking you to give the second highest salary, immediately ask the question, what if there is no second highest salary? What should be the output? If they say it should be blank, then remove this max function. If they say it should give null, then please do put this max of salary. Okay, so now let's submit this code and it will be accepted. That's it for the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.